I know the Naruto series is our audience's favorite. Enjoy our story today. It's called When Love Gets Too Salty. Naruto Uzumaki was not the best at handling delicate things. He could solo fight Pain, who was the six bodies controlled by Nagato, save villages, and shout his dreams loud enough to make the whole world listen, but when it came to relationships, he was as clumsy as a ninja on roller skates. It all started one sunny morning at Ichiraku Ramen. Naruto and Hinata were having a rare date without missions, paperwork, or kids pulling on their sleeves. Even though Naruto accidentally broke Hinata's favorite mirror this morning, she was a little upset, but didn't say much. The steam from the ramen rose like clouds of happiness, and Hinata smiled shyly across the table. Naruto was halfway through slurping his third bowl when he made a mistake. "Hinata, you know," Naruto said with a mouthful of noodles, "you're just like ramen." Hinata blinked. "Am I?" "Yeah. Warm, soft, and sometimes a little too salty." The ramen shop went quiet. Even the flies in the corner froze. Hinata's chopsticks slipped from her fingers, clattering against the bowl. "Did you say too salty, Naruto?" she whispered, her face turning red, but not the usual shy blush. This was volcano red. Naruto, sensing danger but too slow to dodge, tried to fix it. No, I meant tasty. Delicious, like miso soup, but heavy." "Did you just say heavy?" Hinata stood up, her chair screeching like a kunai on stone. "So you think I'm salty and heavy like old miso soup?" "No, wait. Don't activate your white eyes." It was just a compliment gone wrong. Naruto panicked. But it was too late. Hinata stormed out of the ramen shop, leaving Naruto behind with a broken bowl of miso ramen and an even more broken heart. The news spread quickly around the village. Naruto made Hinata mad. People gasped like it was the end of the world. Sakura crossed her arms. "Naruto really doesn't understand women, does he?" And Sasuke, who happened to be passing by, smirked. Then he walked away. For 3 whole days, Hinata avoided Naruto. At home, when he tried to talk, she would suddenly remember she had 2 water plants that didn't exist. When he waved to her during training, she turned to Neji's photos and said, "Cousin, give me strength." Naruto, who could never sit still, grew desperate. He tried writing an apology letter, but the handwriting looked like a ramen order form. He tried baking a cake, but it came out shaped like a frog with a sad face. He even asked Kakashi for advice, but Kakashi just shrugged and handed him a copy of Make Out Paradise. "That won't help," Naruto yelled. "Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you." Finally, Naruto came up with an idea. If their love were like a broken mirror, he would glue it back together, literally. He went to a shop and bought tools and glue. Then he spent an entire night gluing all the shuttered pieces together and decorated the mirror with silly stickers of ramen bowls, foxtails, and little hearts. On the back, he even wrote, "I'm sorry for being a blockhead. Please don't be salty at me. Love, Naruto." The next morning, he stood in front of Hinata's room. He knocked bravely on the door. Hinata opened it, looking both surprised and slightly annoyed. "Naruto, what are you doing so early?" Naruto puffed up his chest. "Hinata, our love is like your favorite broken mirror." But look, he turned around dramatically, almost dropping the mirror on his foot. "I fixed the broken one." Hinata looked shocked, and she immediately felt watery in her eyes. "Yeah, so we can see ourselves together forever, just 2 of us." He grinned so wide his whisker marks stretched. Hinata's lips trembled. At first, Naruto thought she was angry again, but then she burst out laughing. You're so silly." She giggled, covering her mouth. Naruto scratched his head. "Well, yeah, but I'm your silly husband." Hinata's laughter softened into a smile. She reached out, touching the corner of the mirror where Naruto had stuck a crooked ramen sticker. "You really stayed up all night doing this, didn't you?" "Of course." I'd fight 10 more wars before I let you stay mad at me. Later that day, Naruto and Hinata went back to Ichiraku Ramen together. This time, instead of storming out, Hinata laughed until her eyes sparkled. The whole shop filled with warmth, not just from the steaming bowls, but from the simple, silly truth that even when mirrors break, ramen spills, or words come out wrong, Naruto and Hinata always find a way to stick the pieces back together. I hope you learn the wisdom of our story today. The phrase "a broken mirror joined together again" is about reunion after separation and the enduring power of love and fate. Even if relationships, families, or situations fall apart, there is always a chance to mend and rebuild if there is sincerity, effort, and destiny working together. Hope you enjoyed the story today. See you tomorrow, kids.